Good morning. Welcome to St. Joseph online classes. I'm Meenakshi Veri, your maths teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you factorization by factor tree. Factorization by factor tree. We can make a factor tree to show the breaking down of a number into its factors. Breaking down of a number into its factors. The factors are written at the end of branches of this upside down tree. A branch ends when it has a factor that is a prime number. We can make a factor tree to show the breaking down of a number into its factors. The factors are written at the end of branches of this upside down tree. A branch ends when it has a factor that is a prime number. Now I am going to explain you with the help of few examples. The shape of a tree depends upon how you break down a number. The shape of a tree depends upon how you break down a number. Find the prime factors of 320 by making a factor tree. We can make factor tree with three types. First of all, we will break 320 into two parts. 320 is equal to 32 multiplied by 10. 32 is not a prime number and 10 is also not a prime number. Now, how can you divide 10 into prime number? 2 5s are 10. And 32, 16 2s are 32. 2 is a prime number. Now 16 is not a prime number. Again we can divide 16 into two parts. 8 2s are 16. 2 is a prime number. 8 is a composite number. Again we divide 8 into two parts. 4 2s are 8. 2 is a prime number and 4 is not a prime number. Again we will divide 4 into two parts, that is 2 2s are 4. Now in first tree the factors are 2 multiplied by 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 5. Now see the second example. We can write 320 is 16 multiplied by 20. Both are not the prime numbers. 16 we can write 4 4s are 16. And 4 further we can divide into two prime numbers. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 20 we can divide into two numbers. 5 4s are 20. 4 we can divide in two numbers. 2 2s are 4. Factors are 2 2 2 2 5 2 2. Now see third tree. We can write 160 2s are 320. 2 is a prime number. 160 is not a prime number. We can write 80 2s are 160. Again we can divide 80 into two parts. 40 2s are 80. 40 into two parts. 20 2s are 40. 20 into two parts. 10 2s are 20. And again 10 into two parts. 5 2s are 20. The factors are 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now children, we'll find out the prime factorization of 30 by drawing factor 3. First of all, we'll write 30. We can write in the table form. 15 2s are 30. 2 is a prime number. 15 we can write. 5 3s are 15. 5, 3 and 2 all are prime numbers. Find out the factors of 36 with the help of tree method. 36 we can write. 18 2s are 36. Right? 2 is a prime number. Again we'll divide 18 into 2 parts. 9 2s are 18, or we can write 6 3s are 18 also. Okay, no problem in writing that. You can write factors by your choice only. Okay, 6 3s are 18 also you can write. Okay, now here I have written 9 2s are 18. 2 is a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. Again we'll split 9 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Now the factors are 2 2 3 3. Next number is 72. This also we can do with two methods. 36 2s are 72 or 8 9s are 72 we can write. Choice is ours only. Now again 2 is a prime number. 36 we can write. 18 2s are 36. Again here 2 is a prime number. 18 you write into two parts. 9 2s are 18. Right? 2 is a prime number. Now 9 we have to write down in two parts. 3 3s are 9. The factors are 3 3 2 2 and 2. Next number is 210. 210. 105 2s are 210. Okay. Again we can divide 105 into two parts. 35 3s are 105. 3 is a prime number. Again you divide 35 into two parts. 5 7s are 35. Prime numbers are 5, 7, 3 and 2.